and welcome back to HobbyHill. For today's video I am doing something that I love, which is art. It is probably my favourite hobby by far. Ever since I was a little kid I've always been into art. I wanted to sort of get out of my comfort zone to sort of do like a trending styles at the moment in terms of like art and design and stuff. Before we start, I just wanted to go through all the supplies and all the equipment that I use personally for any of the watercolors. These are my favourite. So for my watercolors I use my Winsor & Newton palette. This is my baby. This is the best thing about watercolor is that you want a brand that has a lot of pigment in it, because obviously when you're adding water and you're diluting the product, you need something that's gonna get the colors that you want. And in terms of watercolor brushes, to go to a lot of art shops and just buy random ones. I don't really have like a specific brand that I go to. I mean, obviously Winsor & Newton, obvious choice. They're always gonna be good, but they can be on the bit of the pricey side. So if you're looking for something low budget, it's not exactly the best idea. Some places actually sell really good watercolor brushes for less of a price if you went to something like Eckersley's or other art stores and supply shops near you. If you want it to be less detailed, then obviously go for like a wider brush. But if it's something small and detailed and really intricate, that's good for doing like details on the face. Ever since I got my watercolor Winsor & Newton palette, I've not gone back to watercolor pencils. But if you do, a really good thing that I'd suggest you invest in is some of these. It's a watercolor tip brush, but you fill the bottom of it with water. So instead of you dipping your brush in, transferring it, dipping, brushing, and having to get more and more water, you've got the water with you as you paint, which is amazing. I think these are pretty damn nifty. You can actually find them in like dollar stores and stuff. So these are really handy if you're looking for something for watercolor pencils. In terms of outlining, my go-to through and through is always Artline pens like this, which are my absolute favourite for markers. I just used a mixture of, once again, Winsor & Newton, Pro Marker and Brush Marker pens, which are amazing. It is literally like painting with watercolour but as a marker. Like, it's so nice. that's all from me. Thank you for getting to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more stuff like this, or more obviously hobby ideas, things to get creative at home, please give it a like. Subscribe if you want to, and I'd love comments down below what you guys might like to see, or hobbies that you might be interested into but you haven't really given a go. I'll get the scoop for you. So I will see you in my next video. I'll be coming out every Friday, hopefully, if I can stick to it. Thanks guys, see you later, bye.